You can now invest in some of the world's biggest companies like Tesla and Google. Let's find out how. HDFC Securities brings you the unique opportunity to invest directly in over 3,500 US securities. Enjoy features like free account opening, brokerage as low as 1 cent, $500,000 insurance under SIPC, and more. Here's why you should invest abroad. Diversify portfolio. Buy the world's best companies. Participate in the growth in global markets. Benefit from dollar appreciation against the rupee. Ready to invest in the global markets? Visit hdfcsec.com/globalinvesting and start your international investment journey.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.